Hey, can you help me understand this paragraph?
Sure, which one are you looking at?
The third one on page 25. It talks about quantum entanglement, but I missed what the professor said.
Okay. So quantum entanglement is when two particles become linked, sharing the same fate even when separated by vast distances.
Sorry, could you say that last part again? I didn't quite catch sharing the same fate.
No problem. I said they're connected. So if you measure the property of one particle, you instantly know the property of the other, no matter how far apart they are.
Instantly no. That's fascinating. So they are somehow connected even if they are really far apart?
Exactly. It's a pretty complex concept, but that's the basic idea. Like they're communicating somehow.
Wow, okay. So if one spins up, the other immediately spins down, even if they're light years away?
Precisely. That's a good way to think about it. It's one of the stranger aspects of quantum physics.
Thanks. That makes much more sense now. I appreciate you repeating it.
You got it. Always happy to explain. Don't hesitate to ask again.
Will do. This textbook is tough.
Tell me about it.